Have you ever stopped to think about what lies behind the unexpected encounters in your life? Those moments that seem like mere coincidences, but if you look closer, reveal a divine web of connections. Imagine yourself on a busy street, surrounded by unfamiliar faces, and suddenly, your eyes meet someone else's. In that instant, a blink of an eye, something inside you awakens. That intriguing sensation, that inexplicable connection, is a whisper from the angels. Spiritual signs manifest in many ways. They may appear in vivid dreams, through synchronicities, or even in messages that seem crafted just for you. Angels are always around you, ready to guide you and reveal a purpose you may not even recognize yet. Pay attention to the little things. A song that plays at just the right moment, a word that resonates deeply, or a meeting that feels like it was planned by the stars. These are the subtle touches of the universe, reminding you that you are not alone, and that every person who crosses your path has a role to play in your journey. But what about the doubts that haunt your mind? Fears that hold you back like invisible chains. You hesitate, questioning if you are on the right path, if you should have made different choices. What is stopping you from moving forward? The fear of the unknown, rejection, or even the pain of loss. These feelings are normal, but they are also barriers that can obscure your true vision. What you may not realize is that these challenges are part of the process, and the angels are here to help you overcome them. What if I told you that the connection you feel with that special person goes beyond what you can imagine? What if the angels aren't just trying to show you that this person misses you, but that this is your last chance to take action? Think about this. Every encounter carries a message. Every person who enters your life brings an opportunity for growth and transformation. You might be on the brink of a powerful revelation, a change that could redefine your future. Now, the big question is, are you ready to take action? Life doesn't wait. Love doesn't wait. You have the ability in your hands to turn your doubts into courage. Don't let fear dictate your choices. Look within yourself and make a decision. Will you continue to ask yourself what if? Or will you embrace this chance to connect in a deep and meaningful way? The universe is conspiring in your favor. What will you do with that? Have you ever found yourself looking up at the sky, feeling that something beyond the ordinary is about to happen? The clouds move curiously, and an unexpected light catches your gaze. It's as if the universe is whispering secrets just for you. What does it mean? You are about to discover a world where divine messages intertwine with your reality, revealing a greater purpose. The signs from the angels are everywhere. Sometimes, they are repeating numbers. Other times, a song plays at a pivotal moment. They manifest in small coincidences that, upon closer inspection, reveal a divine symphony. When you notice a white feather gently falling from the sky or feel an inexplicable chill when thinking of someone, know that it is the presence of angels nearby, guiding your steps and offering comfort. They communicate through feelings, visions, and even dreams. Each sign, each message, is an invitation for you to look more deeply within yourself and realize that you are not alone on this journey. But what if you find yourself trapped in a maze of doubts? What if fears and uncertainties keep you from hearing these messages? It's easy to get lost in the chaos of everyday life, in the routine that consumes your hopes. You might feel as if you're in a dark cave, unsure which path to take. Doubt whispers, what if I'm not prepared? What if I fail again? These thoughts can feel like chains binding you to inaction. But remember, even angels face challenges. They understand the weight of fear, yet they are here to remind you of the light that resides within you. What if, in this moment, you realize that everything you fear is actually the gateway to a new reality? Imagine that instead of being barriers, your insecurities are bridges. Bridges that lead you to new understanding and personal transformation. The revelation you are eagerly awaiting may be hidden in the act of allowing yourself to feel and act. The angels are not just trying to comfort you, they are gently urging you out of your comfort zone, showing you that love and courage are the true guides on your journey. Now, the choice is yours. What will you do with these messages? Love does not wait, and every second counts. You have the opportunity to break free from the chains that bind you and follow the call of your heart. Will you allow yourself to hear the voice of the angels, or will you continue to wonder what could have been? The moment is now. Stand up, take a deep breath, and take the first step. The universe is waiting for you, and the angels are ready to guide you toward your destiny. Have you ever paused to listen to the whisper of your heart? That silent restlessness that arises when night falls and you find yourself alone with your thoughts? Imagine yourself in a dark labyrinth, where each shadow represents a fear, a doubt, a block. With each step, uncertainty grows. But what if I told you there is a light? A divine presence that is always by your side, ready to guide you? Spiritual signs appear in subtle ways, like a gentle breeze that caresses your face or an unexpected thought that seems to spring from nowhere. They are messages from angels, those beings of light surrounding us, wishing for us to see the path we should take. When you find a white feather on your way or catch the scent of flowers that aren't nearby, know that it's an invitation to look deeper, to listen to the voice that echoes beyond the obvious. These signs reveal that you are not alone. They are a reminder that every step you take has a purpose. However, it's natural to feel fear. The fear of the unknown can be paralyzing. You may wonder, what if I fail? Or what if I'm not worthy of the love or happiness I desire? These questions are like chains that bind your soul, making you hesitate in front of the opportunities life presents you. You find yourself struggling against these internal demons, feeling like a prisoner of your own insecurities. And in the darkness, each doubt distorts reality, making it seem scarier than it truly is. But what if I told you that true transformation begins the moment you decide to confront those fears? Imagine discovering that behind every shadow that haunts you, there is a light waiting to be revealed. What if the angels aren't just trying to show you that you are capable of overcoming your insecurities, but are actually waiting for you to take the first step? What would happen if you understood that every doubt that arises is a disguised opportunity, a chance to break free and connect with your true purpose? Now, I invite you to reflect. What will you do with this revelation? Love doesn't wait, and neither does life. Every moment is precious. You can continue to ask what if, or you can decide to act, embracing the light that surrounds you. You have the power to transform your doubts into strength, your insecurities into courage. So what will your choice be? The answer lies within you. The light is ready to shine, but you must decide to free yourself from the chains of fear and take that step toward what you truly desire. Don't let doubt eclipse your shine. The time is now. Have you stopped to think that every encounter, every situation, every challenge you face could be woven together by a divine purpose? Imagine yourself walking along a path in the woods, surrounded by the singing of birds and the scent of wet earth. Suddenly, a soft light begins to shine through the trees. It's a sign, a message that resonates in your heart. Can you feel it? A call to something greater, an invitation to uncover the hidden truth about your purpose. Angels, beings of light surrounding us, communicate in subtle yet powerful ways. They manifest through synchronicities, vivid dreams, or even inexplicable feelings that guide us down unknown paths. Have you ever wondered why you felt an instant connection with someone, or why a book fell into your hands exactly when you needed it most? These are not mere coincidences. They are the angels trying to show the way. They speak through the signs around us, revealing that we are always connected to the divine. But what if you found yourself trapped in a maze of doubts, fears, and insecurities? What happens when uncertainties seem to overshadow the light the angels are trying to ignite? Fears of failure, of not being enough, of taking risks in pursuit of a dream that feels distant. It's easy to feel lost, as if purpose is always just out of reach, like a distant echo that never arrives. Life can seem like a cycle of temptations and frustrations, and you might wonder if there really is a clear path ahead. Now, imagine a revelation that could change everything. What if I told you that the angels aren't just trying to show you that you have a purpose, but that this moment of confusion is, in fact, your call for transformation? What lies behind this veil of uncertainties is a unique opportunity for rediscovery. purpose is not something you find. It is something you become by embracing your experiences, your pain, and your joy. It's time to realize that the light you seek is within you, waiting to shine. Now, I invite you to take action. Look within yourself and ask, what do I truly desire? What makes me feel alive? Don't let the fear of the unknown paralyze you. Life doesn't wait, and opportunities don't come around again. What could happen if you decided to take the first step toward your purpose? The choice is yours. Will you let doubt rule your heart, or will you dare to follow the light that the angels have ignited on your path? It's time to transform that uncertainty into a springboard for your true essence. Have you ever stopped to think that life is full of signs? That somehow, every encounter, every detour, every moment of silence carries a subtle message? Imagine walking through a dense forest, with rays of sunlight filtering through the leaves, creating a play of light and shadow around you. You feel the gentle breeze touch your face, and for a moment, everything seems perfectly harmonious. But then a doubt arises. Is this harmony really just coincidence? The angels, in their infinite wisdom, are always around us, sending signals that guide us. They speak through dreams, repeated numbers, or even in moments of deep silence, when our minds finally quiet down. These signs are not mere coincidences. They are invitations for us to connect with the divine, to open our hearts and ears. Each message is an opportunity for transformation, a whisper that seeks to touch the essence of our being. They are there, waiting for us to realize that we are part of something greater. However, amidst this celestial dance, many of us carry heavy doubts. Fears that paralyze us. What if you don't deserve the love you seek? What if the doors closing are proof that you don't belong in this world? These questions resonate in our hearts, creating barriers that prevent us from moving forward. Have you ever felt this way? The sensation that, even surrounded by light, you're still lost in the darkness of your own insecurities? Now, take a deep breath and listen closely. What if I told you that these fears are just illusions? That, in fact, life is a gift from God for you to live fully? The angels are not just trying to show you that you are loved. They are revealing that this is your time to shine. The purpose that has brought you to this moment is greater than you imagine. It's time to break free from the chains that hold you back and embrace your true self. Faith, this powerful and transformative force, is the key that will open the doors of your heart. When you believe that you are deserving of love, peace, and happiness, everything changes. Your perspective shifts. You begin to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. Each challenge becomes a step toward your evolution. Every tear, a drop of wisdom. Now, it's your turn. The question that resonates is simple yet profound. Will you allow faith to transform your life? Will you take the first step toward your purpose? Love doesn't wait. The answers are within you, waiting to be discovered. Be willing to listen, to feel, to act. The time is now. The choice is yours. Have you ever stopped to think that, amidst all of life's uncertainties, there is a greater purpose guiding your steps? Imagine yourself in an open field, where the gentle breeze whispers secrets that only you can hear. Around you, the vibrant colors of nature dance, and for a brief moment, you feel that you are exactly where you are meant to be. But then, doubt arises like a shadow, and you wonder, what is the true meaning of it all? The signs you have been receiving are not mere coincidences. They are messages from angels, beings of light striving to communicate with you. A repeated number that appears in your life, a song that touches your heart directly, a synchronicity that seems magical, all of these signs are filled with meaning. They reveal not only a direction but a deep connection with the divine that resides within you. Every little detail is a clue pointing you toward the path you should follow. However, it's common for fears and insecurities to manifest in the face of such revelations. You may feel paralyzed, overwhelmed by an all-consuming fear of taking action. What if you make a mistake? What if the angels are just testing your faith? The heart feels heavy carrying the doubt, and often the desire to stay in your comfort zone is stronger than the impulse to seek the unknown. But what if I told you that courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision to move forward despite it. What if, instead of hesitating, you viewed each sign as a divine call? The true power lies in your ability to transform these revelations into action. Think about it. The angels aren't just trying to show you that there is a purpose. They are calling you to play a vital role in this grand tapestry of life. Now, the choice is yours. You can continue living in the shadow of doubt, or you can decide to dive headfirst into what the universe has to offer. Love, the true essence of being, doesn't wait. Time is a precious resource, and every moment that passes is a missed opportunity to connect with your purpose. So, look within yourself. Feel the strength that resides in your heart. What do you truly desire? What are the signs urging you to do? Now is the time to take action, to make a bold step into the unknown. Don't let fear hold you back. The decision is in your hands, and transformation begins when you choose to follow the message that the angels have for you. What will you do now? Have you ever found yourself gazing out the window, watching the leaves dance in the wind, feeling that there is something more beyond what the eyes can see? An energy that pulses between worlds, whispering secrets that you're about to uncover. What if I told you that this moment of introspection is more than just a simple pause in daily life? It is a calling, an invitation from the angels, who are always around you, seeking to connect with you. Spiritual signs manifest in subtle ways, almost like a gentle symphony that plays just for those who are willing to listen. You might notice a repetition of numbers, a song playing at just the right moment, or even an inexplicable feeling that everything is falling into place. These are the moments when the angels try to communicate, guiding you toward your true purpose. Each sign is a piece of a puzzle that, when put together, reveals the bigger picture of your life. But what if you're stuck in deep doubts? Fears that whisper in your ear, questioning your ability to move forward. Perhaps you feel unworthy of something greater, or that your past mistakes are holding you back from embracing the new. These emotional blockages may seem like insurmountable mountains, but remember, even the highest mountains were shaped by time and perseverance. What you don't realize is that by allowing yourself to feel these fears, you also open the door to transformation. Now, imagine for a moment that a true revelation is about to occur. What if the angels aren't just trying to show you the way, but are preparing you for a pivotal moment? You are not here by chance. Every challenge and every pain has been carefully placed in your path for you to grow and flourish. And what if you discover that this is your moment? The instant when you can finally take a step towards what you've always desired. What are you waiting for? Love and purpose do not wait. Life is a series of choices, and what you decide today will shape your tomorrow. Are you ready to awaken to your true purpose? The call is echoing in your heart. It's time to act, to break the chains that bind you, and to embrace the journey that the angels have prepared for you. Look within, listen to your intuition. You have the strength to change everything. The question is, will you allow yourself to?